Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials now. Update Mobile Legends and your OS and pick a launcher that supports widgets. Once done, open the game briefly so it registers widget components. Make sure to grant storage and overlay permissions to the app, otherwise, widgets may not appear. You do not need extra apps. This step makes the widget discoverable. After those checks, return to your home screen and get ready to add the actual widget. You add the widget by long pressing an empty area on the home screen and choosing Widgets or Add Widgets. Then scroll to find Mobile Legends or Mlbb. You may see multiple sizes. Tap and drag the widget to your chosen spot and release to place it. If a configuration dialog appears, select the shortcut, team, or quick action you want. Make sure to allow any requested permissions right away. Otherwise, the widget may show a blank or error state. You finish by locking the layout or moving icons around so the widget stays put. If the widget does not appear, restart your device and then clear Mobile Legends cache. Next, re-add the widget. Make sure Auto Start, Overlay, and Background Activity permissions are enabled so updates show. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the game as a last resort. One key tip: grant overlay and background permissions first. Most widgets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.